Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on sequence and series which is given in 28th June first shift 2022. Now coming to the question, let capital A equal to the set of 1 comma a1 comma a2 and so on 77 be a set of integers with 1 less than a1 less than a2 less than and so on a18 less than 77, that is an increasing order. Let the set a plus a equal to x plus y such that x comma y both belongs to capital A contain exactly 39 elements. Then the value of a1 plus a2 plus and so on a18. Now coming to the question, very interesting question and the most conceptual question. Watch the video completely, they will understand the concept of the question. Now see this, they have given that capital A is a set having the elements 1 comma a1 comma a2 and so on a18 comma 77, right. So it is very clear that number of elements in A is equals to 20 because of here total 18 elements and plus 1 and 7 total 20, right. And they are given increasing AP 1 less than A1 less than A2 less than A3 and so on less than A18 less than 77. So that is what increasing AP. Now and they have given the addition of two sets like A plus A which is nothing but x plus y such that x and y both belongs to capital A only. Then we are adding two elements. Those two elements which belongs to capital A only contains exactly 39 elements, which means what? Number of elements in the summation of two sets A and A is nothing but 39. So if you observe this clearly, focus on the concept, then set having 20 elements and the summation of those two sets like A plus A is 39 elements, which is in the form of 2 into 20 minus 1. Means what? If a set having, for suppose, now see the major concept of this question is, which is based on, now for suppose if a set having m elements and a set of A plus A having 2m minus 1 elements, then it is very clear that set A contain the elements set of A must be in arithmetic progression. So very important content of this question, that is n of A equal to m, number of elements of A m and number of elements of A plus A is 2m minus 1. Then it is very clear that set A elements, what are the elements present in A must be in AP. Then I will take one example to give you clarity for this question. For suppose if capital A is a set which is having elements of 1, 3, 5 and the same capital A elements 1, 3, 5. Now it is very clear that 1, 3, 5 in AP. Now just want A plus A, right. Now move on to A plus A. Okay, I have to take one element from the first set and one element from the second set. Now just add. Now take 1 here, 1, take 1 and add. What we will get is 1 plus 1. What I will get? So 1 plus 1 which is nothing but 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 5 is nothing but 6, right. Now move on to 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 is already present, so I think no need to write. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4 and 4 is already present, no need to write in the set because of set is a collection of well defined distinct objects. If anything is repeated, no need to write. Next 3 plus 3 next element 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is what, 6, 6 is already present, no need to write, and the last element from 3 is 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8, that is different element I have written. Next coming to the 5, 5 plus 1 which is what, 6 already there, 6 plus 3 8 already there, and sorry 5 plus 3 8 already there, 5 plus 5 which is nothing but 10, right. So total number of elements here is n of a plus a which is equal to 5, and here n of a equal to what, 3, and it is very very clear that this is nothing but 2 times of 3 minus 1, right, and n of a having 3 elements, n of a plus a having 2 into 3 minus 1 elements, then a clearly it is in AP. Then I will take another example to give you better clarity of this question. Let us say capital A having the elements 1, 4, 5, and same capital A 1, 4, 5. If you observe clearly, set of A not in AP, A set of elements of A not in AP, right. Now let me check what is A plus A. Now start with 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 5 6, 4 plus 1 5, no need to write because of 5 is already there, 4 plus 4 8, and 4 plus 5 9. Now start with 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 4 9, both are there, and thing is 10, right. And if you observe clearly here n of a equal to 3, and the set of values in A not in AP, and observe n of a plus a here. What about n of a plus a is 6, which is not equal to 2 times of 3 minus 1. So this formula is applicable, that's very 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 important formula. This formula is applicable only when, this formula is applicable only when if set of A having elements in AP and n of A equal to m, n of A plus A equal to 2m plus 1. Now coming to the content of the question, they have given A plus A 39 elements, A having 20 elements. So it is very very clear that set A, now move on to the concept of the question. Clearly from these two examples and the content formula, I have decided that set A having elements are in AP, right, and this set A having 20 elements, and the first value of the set is 1, and the last value of that set is what, 77, right, and I can say that it is 20, no, the different notations. First value I can say that A as 1, and the last value is 77. So if I want to find as A having 20 elements, right, S20, which is nothing but A plus A1 plus A2 plus and so on, A18 plus L, this is what, S20, clear. So that I just want A1 plus A2 plus and so on, A18 according to the question, right, according to the question I just want A1 plus A2 plus and so on, A18, that is what, S20 minus A minus L, right. What is S20? 20 by 2 into, we know that the sum of n terms formula in AP, n by 2 into A plus L, that is 1 plus 77 minus 1 minus 77, right. Now 2 ones are, 2 tens are, so that clearly 780 minus 78. Now what about 780 minus 78? That is nothing but 702. Thank you.